Okay.
Hello.
We're so good at this.
Hi guys!
So, we're doing a facts video because this is our channel which we've just started, and
I think it'd be cool.
we're so shit at this. We don't even look like this normally. We just thought we'd be cool. Okay, right, let's start.
Okay.
Shall I do mine first?
Do we see what's about?
Yeah! Right, I've been gonna... Anyway.
My hair.
It's about facts, like about us. I'm so bad at this.
I know.
Right, okay. Facts about me.
What's your name?
My name's Chloe, and I live in Newquay, which is in Cornwall, if none of you ever noticed.
If you didn't know.
Can you do yours first,
Okay,
please?
sure thing, baby. Hi, my name's Sporn.
Wait, I'll tell you her facts,
Okay.
and she tells me mine.
Okay.
You yours. You mine.
Okay.
Let's just do it. Okay. She's 18. She's come from Yorkshire.
I come.
She's Australian.
No.
Right, she lived in Australia for maybe for 8 years.
6.
6
Ooh,
years.
how's it going, Chloe?
Shut up. She loves dogs and she likes the colour pink. Is that your favourite colour?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
I've just noticed this is Bob instead of Bop. And her saying is, I'll bop you one. Not Bob, Bop. She's single but her heart's taken by...
Not saying.
Adam.
Shut up.
Shush. Am I? I can't.
What is that? What am I reading?
I put H-A-R-T-S.
I can't remember. Where are we looking? She can't spell hard.
She has 2 sisters in Aussie. I can't see. And she has a sister and brother which live with her, which is me and our little brother Josh. He's 9. And
Very
I'm
annoying.
14. Am I 14?
And also very annoying.
Yeah.
Am I 14? She's 14.
And she loves watching beauty videos of like people.
Shan, XL, Cali Bible. Oh my god, who are the other ones? Shit. There's some other ones, but I just don't remember the names. I feel so bad right now.
Okay.
My turn for you.
There you go.
Facts about this bitch. Her name is Chloe Jasmine. Is it Jasmine? Lay.
Lay.
And she's my gorgeous sister. Just saying. Was that like a little fart? A gas fart?
Shut up, carry on.
She lives in Newquay, which is where we are right now. She came from Yorkshire. We were both born in the same hospital. York District. Dick! She has 4 siblings. Me, Beck, Shell and Josh. We have a cat. Well, she has a cat. Well, it's my cat too. She's a dancer. And she really wants to go to college. Is it college or university? College. She's committed. She's 14 years old, so she's a little baby. My bae. Her favourite colour is blue. Blue. She loves drinking milk. She's gonna milk them titties. And the word that she always says is fag.
And my heart's taken.
Oh, a hat taken by what's his last name? Davies. Is that it? Davies? Davy! But I put an S on the end by mistake.
I need to put...
He's gonna be my brother-in-law soon, and I don't even know his
Yeah.
name.
Okay. We love you all. And I'm crying.
Bye.